welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope y'all are doing good. So it's been a very long time since I've posted any long format video, and I think this is what I say in the beginning of all my long format videos. Like, this has been my new intro, okay? Like, I don't need to introduce myself. Like, this can be the introduction of who I am. So yes, I am a bit inconsistent with the long format video, and even I hate saying that because honestly, I love making long format content because that is what has been giving me my most number of audience. Like, honestly, don't get me wrong, it's not like I don't enjoy short format content, I do, but for me long format works the best for me, and because I like yapping a lot, so long format is what is, I think it just fits me. Short format I do enjoy, but I think it's not like it's not just the best format for me. Long format content is something I really enjoy making, and it has just been working the best for me, but it also requires a lot of time, effort, a lot of thinking, and that is something that I cannot at all give at this moment because it's always the end of the sessions are really hectic all the time, and my board exam is advancing and almost knocking at my door, as my teachers like to say. So yeah, it is kind of difficult for me to make long format content at this moment, but no more explanations, no more excuses. If I love it, I will be able to do it. So here I am, making another long format video after a very long time, but this time I think this is going to be informative for all my book lovers out there and all my Harry Potter fans who are intending to read Harry Potter. So yeah, let's get started. So last month I did something, like I have been contemplating this decision for quite a long time, and last month I gave in, and I could not like hold my patience any longer, and I just I did actually let my intrusive thoughts win. So I got myself this, oh my god, it's heavy. Ow. This Harry Potter book set. This is the complete collection. Let me show you the cover once. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Gorgeous, right? So this is the Owl Post Box special delivery. This is a hardcover edition, let me tell you, and this is not popular on YouTube, on Amazon, nowhere. I have been contemplating my decision to buy this because first of all it is expensive, and second reason was that इसके बारे में कोई भी information online था ही नहीं, so I could not actually verify if this is original, if this is worth it, and if it is of good quality. So I actually took the gamble and I वेंट अहेड, क्योंकि वहाँ पे रिप्लेसमेंट या रिटर्न ऑप्शंस भी था, तो अगर कुछ इन केस ऑफ एनी लाइक problem with this product, I could have easily returned it, and I could have I obviously would get my refund. So why I'm making this video, there are two reasons. Because first of all, this is a happy moment for me. My younger reader self could never believe that I got myself original hardcover books actually. So that is one thing, because I want to share all my happiness and everything with you guys. So yeah, that's one thing. And the second reason is because I wanted this video to be informative, because when I went ahead to buy this book, there were no information about this particular product available online. Now you must be wondering कि Harry Potter hardcover collection तो बहुत लोगों के पास है, so why am I saying कि online इतने informations available नहीं थे? Because this is a different edition. This is called the Owl Post Box set or something. So I went ahead solely because मेरे पास return करने का option था. But I'm so grateful that I actually went in. That was pretty risky, so that is also another reason why I'm making this video. I'll also share with you all what are the good things and bad things about this particular set, so please watch the video till the end if you're interested. Iska like ek outlook already available hai short formats mein, so you can go and check that out. So let's unbox this. When you open this, it's pretty heavy actually, because this is hardcover and this is all original. I'll come to that. So you have this box, it's pretty huge and it's gorgeous. So when you open this, you see this. So pretty, this is so pretty. I like ये जब से आया मेरे घर में, I've just been admiring this. Obviously I cannot read it now because exams. So this is how it looks when you open it. This is a sticker sheet, okay? So here you can write your name. यहाँ पे लिखा है this special delivery belongs to, फिर dash है, you can obviously fill that with your name. And then यहाँ पे बहुत सारे stickers है, which are actually the original stickers of Bloomsbury. And this is the book. This is so gorgeous. यहाँ पे golden detailing में इसका नाम and the like Harry Potter branding and all of that. It's absolutely gorgeous. So यहाँ पे ribbon से इसको fixate किया है. And there is also another ribbon. I'll show its utility to you all. When you pull this thing, you will get the first book out, okay? Somewhat like this. And the second book also. So you can now like pull it out actually, so that you don't damage the books. This is the first book, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, and this thing looks so pretty. I'm so in love with this. I mean, I cannot believe that I finally own Harry Potter in hardcovers. So yeah, let me show you what it looks like from the inside. I'll show you what is special about hardcover edition, because I used to own the paperback version also, so I know what are the differences. Obviously, the premium, hardbound cover, that is very premium, and this is so pretty. So इसका dust cover अगर आप खोलोगे, इसको dust cover कहते हैं वैसे. When you open this, you will see यहाँ पे Hedwig का एक इसका स्टिकर भी है मेरे पास, and there is something written here, and ये जो यहाँ पे प्रिंट रहता है वही यहाँ पे भी रहता है. सो वंस यू ओपन द डस्ट कवर, यू विल सी यहाँ पे एक पर्पल कलर का कुछ कवर है, एंड उस पर स्टार्स लगे हुए हैं. यू क्लोज इट, एंड द कवर इटसेल्फ इज जस्ट सो गॉर्जियस. दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स फ्रॉम द इनसाइड. यहाँ पे स्टार डिटेलिंग किया हुआ है कॉर्नर से, एंड देन यू हैव द नेम, द नंबर इन द सीरीज, everything written here in golden color, which is absolutely pretty. This is so pretty. Now moving on to the next book of the series, which is Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. So this book is also very pretty with the basilisk on the cover page. यहाँ पे वैसे इसके cover page में you will see Hagrid, Hermione and Ron and Harry with the Hogwarts castle. And फिर इसमें you will see basilisk and yeah, you'll see Harry, you'll see the phoenix. Once you open this book, there is Dobby, and Dobby is there on the back as well. You open this, you have this, let me open the dust cover, and the cover is so pretty. Once you open the dust cover, you will see there is this, very dark green color vibe going on, and it's so pretty. Again, the same star detailing, the name and everything written in golden, and it's so pretty. It looks so pretty, so premium. Moving on to the next book of the series, which is Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. This is the third book of the series, and this is my most favorite because this is where the actual story begins. This book is so much full of thrill, and the movie is also very well directed. If you have seen the movie, you will know. The front cover consists of the Patronus of Harry. This is Harry pulling the Patronus charm, and there's this night bus at the back of the cover. What I don't like about the book is that some books, they do not have this this page is not similar to the color of its cover, not even the dust cover and not even the hard cover, which is what I don't like about this book. At least give the vibe match nahi ho raha hai yaar. So once you open the dust cover, you see there is this blue. This is looking somewhat like royal blue on camera, but this is a very dull sort of a blue. So let me open the dust cover once. This is the dust cover, and the same detailing for all the books, but this looks very gorgeous, that I can guarantee. Moving on to the fourth book of the series, which is Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, which again looks so pretty. Let me show you this detailing and everything. I just love it. I love it. So this is Harry. There's a dragon, and once you turn the cover, you'll see there is the golden trio. And yeah, let's get I like this one because this has the color same as the front cover, so this looks nice, but most of them are just mismatched. Once you open it, you will see a yellow color cardboard cover, which again looks fine, okay, with the same detailing, the stars, the name and everything. Looks really nice. Premium again, what I said, hardcovers are premium. Moving on to the next book of the series, which is Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix, which is also the thickest book of the entire series. This book is also gorgeous. Let me show you the cover. It's so pretty. Once you open the book, इसमें अंदर येलो कलर्ड डिटेलिंग है for some reason. ये फिर भी ओके ही लग रहा है मुझे. At the back, you have my favorite character, Professor Snape. I just love Professor Snape. He's my favorite character. His personality and everything about him is to love. I have this book. This looks very bright red, but this is maroon in color. You see again the same golden detailing. You have the stars and everything, but this looks really premium. Let me tell you, this is so pretty. Oh my god. And I just love the smell. Is it just me or everyone? I just love the smell of new books. I love the smell of old books as well, but new books are something I love. Moving on to the next book, which is Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. The covers are so pretty. The illustrations are by Johnny Ruddle. So the illustrations look fantastic. So this is the Half-Blood Prince. You have Dumbledore here, and I think they have tried to show the Dementors here. I think I've never looked so closely at the covers before. This is just so pretty. I think this is Professor Dumbledore, looks like so, and this is Harry again, obviously. and at the back you have Draco Malfoy. I love this guy also. Like he also has a good personality. But why is green given here? This should be in the Chamber of Secrets. This is what I don't like about the book, is it's just so mismatched. Now this is in bright red color, which looks even brighter on camera, but yeah. So again, same detailing. This looks so pretty, and same golden detailing. This looks very royal and like looks like कुछ राजा के घर का कुछ है. The books a king would read. Moving on to the last book of the series, the 7th book, which is Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. इसका movie में 2 part है, but the book version has only 1 part, which is the Deathly Hallows, which finally shows you the Dark Lord Voldemort, and along with that there is Harry, and he's, as usual, pulling his Avada Kedavra spell. I hate Lord Voldemort, but I just so love his power. There's also Nagini here. I don't know if it's properly visible, but when you turn the back, you will see Hagrid driving Harry along with Hedwig. This is probably when Hagrid went to pick up Harry from his home. This is again green from the inside, which looks blue on the camera for some reason. You open the dust cover and you'll see the inside of this book is blue. It looks bright blue, bright navy blue, but it's not. It is navy blue actually, but not this bright. So it again has golden detailing on it, the same thing. Now let's discuss something about the inside of the book, which is very important. Once you open it, you see the front page having this readers and newspaper reviews. Then again some books of the Harry Potter series, and the list is pretty long. Here you will get the details of the original Harry Potter series, which is this one, and then you'll have the companion volumes, which are the Fantastic Beasts or the Quidditch Through the Ages, which are also available in both paperback and hardcover. Then you have the details of the illustrated editions. Harry Potter series के जो भी books है उसके details यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं. Then you have the name of the book and the logo of Hogwarts on another page. Then there is the dedication of this book, paper, so copyrights and all of that written here. This is the dedication, which is written so beautifully. Now once you turn it, there are some mentions. There is now contents, and then you have this is still contents, okay, and then you have the OG Harry Potter map. And I think all fantasy books should start with a map. I think this just makes the book 10 times better. I have read another book which is by Saksham Garg. It's called Samsara, and that is also a fantasy books, which also again starts with a map, and I love it. So yeah, about the print and everything, because this is an original book, the print will obviously be clear. You will be able to read everything. But what I don't like about the book is the paper quality is a bit thin. So I don't know if you can see, but the prints from the next page is actually visible on the front page, the page before, which is a drawback, I think, because you would not, if you're paying around 6 to 7,000 for books, you will expect them to be of good quality, and this is of good quality, I will say that. But somehow this is having this lines which are very annoying. I don't want the pages to show up what it is written on the next page, which is, I think, a drawback. And it's not just this book, but almost like all the books of the series have the same problem. This is the only drawback that I've faced in buying this entire series. Like, I've spent around 5,000 along with the offers and everything, cashbacks and everything, which I think is a decent amount if you are investing in something so premium. And it is actually premium, and once you keep it in your bookshelf, this actually gives such a nice look to your bookshelf. This is absolutely worth it. But will I recommend spending so much on books? No. This is available in the paperback version as well, which is available at a cheaper price, probably for 3,000, and on offers I think it's also available for like 2,500 or 2,800, which I think you can spend for 7 books, 25 to 2,800 for the original version. I think it is worth it. If you are planning to buy hardcovers, should you buy this edition? Absolutely, because the red box edition of this Harry Potter hardcover series is actually for 8,000 something, which is a lot, like a lot to spend on books. And I did not have enough information about this set. I only had information about that set and reviews and all of that. And after looking at everything, I just did not want to spend so much on books. But then I found this alternative. This is a really nice alternative. Only catch is that you will not be able to display this as in your in your bookshelf. That you can, I think, display. This one is you will not be able to display because the box is very huge. But overall, I think this is a steal. Amazon, I bought this from Amazon. It's from Coco Blue Retail. Now any book you're buying from Coco Blue Retail, they do a fantastic job, and with authenticity you will not even have to think twice. The books are absolutely original and authentic. They do not sell fake paperback at all. I've bought so many books from Coco Blue Retail and YouRead store, and I'm so satisfied with all of those. थोड़ा सा issue तो होता है पैकेजिंग में. Somehow ये जो कॉर्नर है ये थोड़ा वो अंदर घुस चुका है बिकॉज ऑफ पोअर पैकेजिंग ओनली. कोई बबल रैप एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट कुछ नहीं आया था इसके साथ, बिकॉज आई विल एक्सपेक्ट यू टू सेंड इट प्रॉपरली because I'm spending so much on this. This was just put into a box, and that too because I had ordered other stuffs with this as well. वो थोड़ा सा इससे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बड़ा बॉक्स में आया था. You can check my shot to actually understand what I'm trying to say. वैसे तो if you ordered this, I don't think ये कुछ बॉक्स में आने वाला है because there were only 2 reviews on Amazon. One was from Australia, जो कि मेरा कोई काम का था नहीं, and another review was from India, but they said that the box set was damaged and it was horribly damaged. I was very scared कि यही ना आए मेरे पास, पर फॉर्चुनेटली मैंने एक और भी चीज़ इसके साथ मंगाया था, जिसके लिए उन्होंने एक दूसरे बॉक्स में दोनों को एक साथ करने के लिए ट्रांसफ़र कर दिया था, जिसकी वजह से थोड़ा सा डैमेज कम है. बट आई डोंट थिंक अगर आप ये सिर्फ ऑर्डर करेंगे तो ये कुछ बॉक्स में आने वाला है, विच आई थिंक इज़ अ ड्रॉबैक. कोको ब्लू रिटेल रियली सक्स विद देयर पैकेजिंग, बिकॉज इसके पहले भी मैंने जो भी बुक्स मंगाए थे थोड़ा सा तो कॉर्नर डैमेज या स्पाइन डैमेज थोड़ा सा था ही. इसका भी बिकॉज दीज आर हार्ड कवर्स एंड बिकॉज दिस वॉज इनसाइड दिस वेरी स्टडी बॉक्स, इसकी वजह से कोई डैमेज तो बुक्स पे हुआ नहीं है. पर yeah, the box is a little damaged, so I will want Coco Blue Retail to fix that. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Summing up the entire video, I would say this is absolutely original, premium, looks really good, and absolutely worth the money I have spent. But I will not recommend you to buy this, spend so much on something. If you are truly interested in reading, and if you love Harry Potter, if you love reading Harry Potter books, then I will suggest that yes, you can definitely give this a try. But if you think that this is too costly, there is also another alternative, which is the paperback version. You can definitely go for it. It looks the same, it's just that this is hardcover and that is paperback, but money is also again a factor. So provided the money factor, I think yeah, paperback works fine. I just wanted to get it in the hardcover. Iske pehle I also had pirated books, which I did not want. If you're investing your money on something good like books, I will suggest you to spend a little more and get the books of good quality and appreciate the authors, appreciate what they do, and don't buy fake paperbacks. But provided what J.K. Rowling has become, I will suggest you can buy pirated copies as well, no issues, because I don't think she deserves this popularity, this credit and everything anymore. I hate how pathetic human being J.K. Rowling has turned into. But nevertheless, I love Harry Potter, and I think we all do. Every Harry Potter fan out there, we just love Harry Potter, and that is like a masterpiece she has created. I'm obviously very sad and very disheartened by the way she is behaving lately, but it is what it is, and she has done a beautiful job in creating Harry Potter, and it's in itself it's a separate universe, and I love that. So yeah, that was it for this video. Don't want it to be too long, and hopefully I'll be able to post it soon. I will probably update you guys on my community posts about the exams I'm going to give. वैसे तो अभी कुछ exams है नहीं. My pre-boards are going to start early this December. So yeah, here's hoping everything goes well, and hopefully I'll be bringing up more long format contents in the future. Thank you everyone, thank you for watching, keep supporting, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video for more such contents related to books, lifestyle, makeup and everything.